We'll give you a little update on the scratch. We did finally get it cut off the table. Got the front end back on. Came in here, we're building second set of headers. I built a set of fender well headers, decided to go with, I'm going to run a turbo on this car. So I built a new set of headers. Did coilovers front end. Put new solid motor mount in the front, motor plate. Actually goes behind the water pump. It's a really nice piece. Got the suspension back on. We lowered the car as low as it could. I'd actually, if you've seen the pictures on Facebook, I put fiberglass doors on it. Did not like them at all. So I went ahead and I'm going to reskin my doors. The bar work is finished. The seats are mounted in there. Next thing we're going to do now is we're going to start coming in here and putting the floors in. It's kind of hard to see. But all the bar work is finished in this car. We got some rust repair we need to fix on this. Put a set of lily bars on it. Not that we're going to need them, but they look good. Trunk is finished. Coilovers. We put some bracing on the rear end. Tightened it up a little bit. We're building the gas tank now. It's going to fit down between the two rails with a sending unit. Then we'll mount the battery box and all the goodies to go with that, and then we'll start sheet mounting this. So until next time, you should have floors in it.